Welcome back to Cray Outdoors. Today's video is a little bit different. Instead of a fishing video, today's video is a bit more of a drone video slash kayaking video. We are heading into Weaver's Bend in the Cherokee National Forest in eastern Tennessee on the French Broad River. It is one of my favorite places in all of eastern Tennessee. You can see the road into Weaver's Bend is absolutely beautiful, and as you're going to see in the video, Weaver's Bend itself is absolutely gorgeous. Had a good time down there, although we had a very close call with the kayak. I learned some lessons, and I hope to pass those lessons on to you in this video. I hope you enjoy today's adventure. We are doing kind of a solo put-in takeout. We're going to put the kayak in here on one side of Weaver's Bend, then we're going to go park on the other side of Weaver's Bend and kayak to there. This is the French Broad River. It's a big, wide, raging river. The river looks a little bit high and stained, so I don't know how the fishing's going to be. Either way, it should be a fun float. Well, we got the vehicle parked. We got some cool drone shots. Now we're gonna fish for about 2 hours. We're right in prime time. It's 5 o'clock now. It's gonna be less than 2 hours by the time we get to the kayak. All right, here we are. Kayak, sweet kayak. What time are we at? 5:16, so darkness starts really setting in down here in the valley around 7. So we've got about an hour and 45 minutes to go. Probably about a 1 mile run, if that. This is the most intense kayaking trip I've actually probably done yet, which is part of the reason why I'm doing it good and short. That said, there's not phone service down here or anything, so if I get myself in a pickle, I'm kind of in trouble. So we are going to put on our life vest today. It's nothing that's more than what our kayak is rated for. We do have a river kayak, but this thing isn't rated for big rapids, but it can take mild rapids, which we will be hitting a lot of mild rapids today. So we'll see how it goes. Should be a fun trip, and hopefully we get on some fish. Whew. All right, take off. Got my paddles upside down. People will yell at me. That's a huge pet peeve of YouTube audiences, is holding your paddles upside down. I don't really know what difference it makes, but people will yell at you. All right, we are now on the French Broad. We do have the anchor with us. It should stop us in water like this. It's not going to stop us in raging water. I'm going to float down and jig around and see what bites. Whoa, there's a rock. See, this is all new to me. This is where we just got to be careful. If we start really picking up speed, then hitting a rock could be pretty dangerous. Tell you what, we're making good time so far. we're stuck. Yeah, I think we're just gonna have to break it off. Maybe not. Whee! Ay. I got stuck because my line got wrapped around here and I was trying to fix it. Probably bent my hook. Yeah, I bent it a little bit. It ain't too bad. Well, I tried anchoring up. I don't 100% know how I feel about this. I reckon the current's pretty strong. I should have anchored up a little bit further back. Well, this should at least give me time to, concerned about a big log coming down and hitting me. Should give me time to bend my hook back anyway, right? Okay, this sketches me out a little bit, so I think we're going to, uphold the anchor and, keep going down. Whoa. No, don't like this at all. I'm gonna paddle backwards somehow. I've learned what not to do here. We might just have to cut our losses and lose the anchor, methinks. Come on, move, Polly, move. Or try and go to shore. That might be an option. Oh boy, this is not good, not good, not good, not good. It's turning us more and more. It's so, the current is just stronger than I can. The more we pull on the kayak, the worse it's getting. Which means we're just gonna have to cut the dang anchor off. Well, this is a learning experience. Don't use the anchor in strong current. And we're free. Let's see if we have a chance of getting that anchor back. If I can get a hold of the rope, I can maybe bring it to shore. I can't even see the rope. That was just too sketchy. I didn't do that. I was gonna flip. I don't see the dang anchor rope. Well, okay, we learned not to use the anchor in super strong current because that doesn't work. If I could have had it back there, that was the other thing. I should have had that set first. If I had that set back there first, so I was actually able to pull us backwards, it would have been a different story too. I can't see the dang anchor rope. We weren't to this tree. Let's see. I got a chance at. I still have a chance at getting this anchor back. Let's see if we can get it with this. It's a great start. This is such a disaster. Joy, joy, joy. Of course I had to hit the effing tree. Oh my goodness. Cray Outdoors misadventures. Hey, this is all a learning experience for me. I'm gonna have to freaking get up there and get it. All because I wanted to anchor up here. Like an idiot. I didn't think the current was that strong. Like, I'm not moving that strong. I can paddle against it. It's just I don't know, man. It was strong when you get on that undercurrent. Alright, we're giving up on plan find the anchor. We lost an anchor in the French Broad. Oh, it happens. We'll just order a new one. Let's hit this side of the rapids, huh? go. Whee! I like the look of this side of the pool over here. We're almost to our destination. Things went pretty darn quick, even with that eventful situation there. I had a hit. What the heck? Some interesting graffiti there. I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. It's just a really random place for some really weird graffiti. Alright, well, we're about at the end of our kayaking mission. Good news is I don't see anybody hanging out down here. Some good looking fishing spots right there. Oh, if I'd have gotten a bite right there, that'd have been cool. Uh-oh, we gotta bring that in. Alright, somewhere over here is the takeout spot. Oh boy. Where's the takeout? Where's the takeout? Where's the takeout? I think it's right here. Yeah, this is the takeout right here. Of course, we're gonna hit this rock. That's okay. It's actually taking us where we need to go. Stuck on some fishing line. Alright, well, we're at the takeout. What a trip that was. We got time to get some final drone shots, so we're gonna do that. We didn't catch any fish. I don't even know how to fish a river like this from a kayak, man. I guess you need to do a longer run and hit some calm spots where you can actually anchor up. We learned some lessons today for sure. We had no choice but to cut the anchor, which the anchor's only 20 bucks. It's not a big deal. I just feel bad about, you know, littering. But that was sort of a life or death situation. It was getting sketchy. Every time I tried budging the anchor, I made it worse. The anchor got closer, the pulley got closer to the middle, put me at a worse angle, and that current was just too strong. I couldn't budge the kayak in that current. Lesson learned there, only drop the anchor in extremely calm water and set your pulley ahead of time. I'm so used to fishing in lakes and ponds and like calm rivers where I usually always set the anchor and then I set the pulley to where I want the kayak to set. But definitely want to set the pulley first whenever you're dropping the anchor in current. If that current had been any stronger, I'd have been in a really bad situation. It probably would have flipped me. It was just strong enough where I couldn't budge the kayak, but fortunately it wasn't so strong that it flipped the kayak right away. Get some final drone shots on the day. That water's really cold too. It would not have been fun to go in. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get the drone started before it gets any darker.